boys and girls, it's Mrs. Quintillion. I am sorry we could not Zoom today, but this is the lesson we would have done on our Zoom. So we are going to our model and draw the pink page, okay? And we are on page 440. If you haven't found that page yet, stop the video, go find the page so you're ready to go when you're watching this. I am going to do the first 3 on this video, and then you're going to do the rest on your own, okay? Have someone at home check it for you if you need. This is a little tricky, and it takes time, so please do not rush what you're doing because you are regrouping more than once in a subtraction problem, and it can be tricky. Up here are the steps to follow. So let's look at it. It says regroup 2 10s as 5 1s, 1 10 as 15 1s. So that is exactly what we do, okay? So we're going from our 5 and it becomes 15. Our 2 becomes 1, all right? But then we need to regroup again. So we're going into the hundreds place and we're regrouping. This becomes 6. And then this one, this is where the change is. We regrouped and now it becomes 11. So this was 15. I'm writing it a little darker. And this was a 1, but now we're regrouping and bringing 100 over, okay? If you still need to draw pictures, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we were drawing pictures, and it is okay. Get your books that are the grid books and draw some pictures to go with these problems. That is totally okay. All right, then you're going to subtract. So we need to subtract 15, take 9 away is 6. 11, take 4 away is 7. 6, take 3 away is 3. And that's where we get the answer. Okay? I'm going to erase the top. And I'm going to show you the next problem. So we're going to number 1. We're solving and finding the difference. Okay, first we're looking at the ones place. 1 is lower than 8. So we need to regroup. So we're going to take 1 from our tens place, and we're left with 1. And we give it over to our ones place. Now we have 11. So 11, take 8 away. If you need to, draw a quick picture. 11 take away 8 is 3. 1 take away 3 is not possible. So that's where we have to go next to the hundreds place. 4 becomes 3. And 1 becomes 11. You can put it in a box if that's easier. So you can see it was 1 and now it's 11. 11, it's very similar to what we did in the ones place. 11 take 3 away is going to be 8. 3 take 1 away is 2. Okay, think about that for 1 minute. We're regrouping 3 times. From 1, we're regrouping hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, let's go to number 2. Let's look at the ones place. 4, take 2 away. That's something we can do without regrouping. We have 4, right? We can take 2 away, and we have 2 left. 7, take away 8, not happening. So we need to regroup from the hundreds. 1 less than 2 is 1. And then we bring over 1, and the 7 comes up. You just bring it right up. So then we have 17 take away 8. If you need to draw a little picture, then draw the picture. 17, take 8 away, is 9. 1, take away 1, is 0. Nothing needs to be put there. Okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2, 6 is less than 7. So we need to regroup. We go to our 4. 4 becomes 3. 6 becomes 16 because we brought 1 10 over. 16 takes 7 away is 9. 3 take away 6, not possible. So we're going to go to our hundreds. 5, 1 less, 4. And then here is where we add another 1 because we brought it from our hundreds place. 13 takes 6 away is 7. 4 take away 2 is 2. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you just because I want to make sure that we're getting this. Okay, and again, you can always pause the video. You could be drawing these in your book. You could be crossing it out, but when you're regrouping, be careful of your drawings. 9 take away 7. 9 is bigger than 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 take away 5 is 0. 8 take away nothing is 8. We did not need to regroup. So this one, number 4, was one of the easiest. Go ahead and try to do number 5 and 6. You can also watch the video for the other problems. Do your best. I will be back on Monday and I can always help you then. All right? Take care. Do your best.